The year is 1978, armed with one secondhand truck. Mechanic turned entrepreneur Daniel Carter had seen it too many times. A customer's vehicle staying off the road because the parts didn't arrive. So he started Atlas Link Logistics, determined to make deliveries faster and more reliably from a small rented warehouse on the outskirts of Columbus. His very first customer was Miller Furniture Works, a family-owned manufacturer that simply wanted one thing: deliveries that arrived when promised. That trust turned into 500 successful deliveries in the first year. Then came the winter of 1983. A blizzard shut down highways across 3 states. One shipment arrived 2 days late. The storm wasn't Atlas Link's fault, but how they responded became their responsibility. It was Atlas Link's first major failure and its biggest lesson. Instead of making excuses, Daniel sat down with every affected customer and asked, "How do we make sure this never disrupts your business again?" The answers led to a new idea: regional warehouses that kept inventory closer to customers. So a single disruption wouldn't stop the supply chain. Atlas Link wasn't just moving freight anymore. The blizzard passed, but its lessons stayed. Every setback became a reason to build stronger. By the mid-90s, customers like Nova Electronics were sourcing components from Asia and shipping finished products across Europe. Atlas Link grew alongside them, expanding into ocean freight, air cargo, and customs brokerage, connecting continents instead of cities. As supply chains became more complex, Daniel's daughter, Emma Carter, saw a different customer need. Customers didn't just want their goods delivered. They wanted visibility. Every shipment, every warehouse, every mile. Technology transformed Atlas Link into an integrated logistics partner. From cold chain for healthcare to fulfillment for e-commerce and heavy project logistics for manufacturers, Atlas Link adapted to every need and became one trusted partner. Today, Atlas Link manages over 12 million shipments, operates 85 logistics hubs across 24 countries, and supports more than 4,000 businesses. But every journey still begins with the same promise Daniel made in 1978: deliver what matters.